Hello friends. Today we are going to unbox an SS digital temperature gauge, an instrument specially designed for reliable and accurate temperature monitoring in industries. Let's get started. Inside the box we get a local display temperature indicator with a stainless steel probe, a user manual, and warranty details. The packaging is sturdy and ready for industrial use. Now let's talk about specifications. Case material: SS304 stainless steel. Display: high-definition LCD. Measuring range: -200 degrees Celsius to +500 degrees Celsius. Custom ranges available. Accuracy: RTD ±0.1%, Thermocouple ±0.2%. Power: 3.6 V lithium battery. Protection: surge, lightning, and reverse polarity safe. Operating temp: -30 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. All these features make it a long-life, stable performance instrument. Using it is very simple. For RTD, use terminals A, B, B. For thermocouple, use A, plus, and B. The display automatically shows the sensor temperature. With the buttons, you can set decimal point, sensor type, and calibration offset. This instrument is highly versatile. Food and beverage industry, pharmaceutical production, chemical processing, HVAC and cold storage, and anywhere accurate, real-time temperature monitoring is required. Now let's see a quick demo. I've connected a PT100 RTD sensor. Watch as I heat the probe, the display instantly shows the rising temperature. This fast response and accuracy is its key strength. Let's check sensor type selection. Long press the set button. In the menu, go to TYP. Use to choose sensor type. Example: 0 is equal to K-type, 8 is equal to PT100. Short press set to save. This means one device can support multiple sensor types. The best part, when ordering this product, you get customization options. Sensor input type: K, PT100, etc. Probe length: as per your application. Probe diameter: thin or thick probe. Fitting type: fixed thread, movable thread, or flange fixing. So, you can design it exactly as per your process requirements. So friends, that was a complete overview of the stainless steel in-situ temperature indicator. If you want this product or need a customized order, just contact us through the link in the description. And yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.